Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Oh, hi. My name's Sammy Scales Banquet, or just Sammy Scales. Anyways, yeah, you may have clicked us on this video to have a look at the puppet, but yeah, so I think we should get on that. Fuck this skit, but first jump scare. Hello, my autistic Angela. Shut up before I kill you. Why'd you smack me? This is not This is not an SSP video. This is a BP video. BP video. What's that? Blaze Productions. Got you. So, hello everyone. Yeah, so it's rarely you get a video from me, but I'm posting two today, which is this one, Sammy Scales, and an SML video with my newest puppet, Mr. Goodman. Better to pay your house payment before I eat your balls. Anyways, we've got Sammy Scales, of course. Got his teeth, his chain, his legs. It's a darker pink because I don't have a lighter pink, except for this one. So, yeah, we've got his eyes. This is my second example on Sammy. I had an old one on an older channel, but I deleted that channel. But yeah, here's part. So if you look, he doesn't. Okay, the actual one doesn't have a shirt. It's just his skin. He just wears a jacket and shorts, but underneath his shirt is just black pipe cleaner. Also underneath his Okay, sorry, I just had to do something real quick. And underneath his shorts, oh my god. Oh my god, I can't get it. Barely see. Black pipe cleaner. Oh yeah, I did something new with the foot. I basically took a pipe cleaner, of course, then added felt on it, then just hot glued it. It was attached to the leg first. So yeah. Anyways, here's some special part. You could like change his expressions. Give me one sec. Sorry about that. You can change the expressions. You can take the eyes out like what I did for the jump scare. Give me a sec. Take that eye out. Oh my god, it's hard to take these fucking eyes out because I forgot to put a back thing. Because the back of his head's hollow. So yeah, he looks cool like this because he's like system failure, no eyes. Should have popped black felt there, but yeah. Here's the thing where popped in like that, but I don't know why I added this bit. It just looked like it was like glowing eye. Like when he got this eye ripped out, is gonna happen a thing with Blaze. First actual video he's in. Sup, dudes? I've not started doing Blaze's Pizzeria yet. I need to make the other characters. Just like you know, Sammy's gonna be in it. So I hope Sub Smash Productions actually comments on this video or subscribes and sees it because it's literally Sammy Scales Banquet. I didn't make Big Shot Banquet though. Anyways, just to mention, I'm also making Withered Blaze right now. Here's a bit of him. I just need to do his hat, cover up some bits, some bobs, done this like ripped chest bit, and also showing off my little FNAF mystery mini. So we got Withered Foxy. I thought I was gonna get a duplicate Withered Foxy, but no, I actually got FNAF 1 Foxy. Yarg carg mateys, fiddle me dee. Who doesn't like a pirate at sea? Well, it's me, Foxy, you fucking cunt. Drunk bastard. And we've got Bonnie, Foxy, and Withered Foxy. Here's the thing, I don't know why Withered Foxy's jaw's bigger than regular Foxy's. It's so weird, look. It's bigger on there, and it's smaller here. It's so fucking weird. Yeah, back to Sammy, though. Sammy's the main part here. So yeah, we got Sammy scales, banquet, got his little chain, he's got his coat, got a shirt, he's got his shorts, his eyes. And I'm also trying to do the humans as well while making. So humans will be done last. I'm trying to do them first because humans are pretty easy, but for fucking animatronics, I'm doing this new text instead of fucking this kind of flat eyes, outward eyes coming out like Celtic snake. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Goodman's Rampage, the next video I'm posting after this one, coming out. I don't know if I'm gonna premiere it in 24 hours, but so it'll be maybe someday tomorrow. So see you later, and go subscribe to Super Smash Productions and check out his videos. I inspired by him. That's why I made Blaze and Blaze Productions, and that's how I actually. I don't know if actual regular Sammy has like the little things that Big Top Banquet Sammy has like the little things like he's a lizard still. Anyways, I'm gonna go now, start filming Goodman's Rampage, and yeah, ciao. So see you later, and subscribe and like the video, please. So do you want to do it, Sammy? Of course. No, it's actually bye. Ciao.